Understanding the phrase, mute. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to delve into the meaning of the word, mute, and how it's commonly used in the English language. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of this term and how to use it in various contexts. Stay tuned. Mute is an English word that has been derived from Old French, muet. At its core, it means 1. Unable to speak, often because of congenital deafness or due to some physical constraint. 2. Characterized by an absence of sound. For instance, if you put your television on mute, it means the sound is turned off. Imagine watching a movie with no sound, or a person trying to communicate without speaking. That gives you a visual representation of what mute means. Mute can be used both as a noun and a verb. Let's see how. 1. Noun, she is a mute. Here, mute describes a person who cannot speak. 2. Verb, can you mute the TV? In this sentence, mute means to turn off the sound of the television. In the digital age, mute has another common use. On social media platforms and in messaging apps, to mute someone usually means to silence notifications from them or to hide their posts without unfollowing or unfriending them. To truly understand a word, it's helpful to see it in action. Here are some examples. 1. The music was so loud that I had to mute it. 2. The old man was a mute, but he communicated beautifully through his writing. 3. I muted the group chat because the notifications were distracting me. By using mute in these various ways, you can see its versatility in the English language. And that wraps up our exploration of the word mute. Whether you're referring to sound, communication, or digital interactions, mute is a handy word to know. We hope this video has clarified its meaning for you. Always remember, language is a tool, and the more words you know, the better equipped you are to express yourself. Happy learning!